Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. I'm standing here with Donna. Her husband purchased this car brand new. He actually ordered it, right, Donna?
Yes.
Wow. And Granada Gold. It's got a little over 35,000 miles on it. And I have never seen one so original. It's original paint, right?
Yes.
So what is it like going in there, ordering this?
It
Jeez, I can't
was
even
very exciting. It
imagine.
was his first car, so he was really happy about it. But you know, I was pregnant, and the man kept bringing him over to station wagons, and he didn't want anything to do with the station wagon.
Of course not.
And we got this, and then we moved out here, so we got another car to travel with because he didn't want to put mileage on it.
Yeah, sure.
So
Beautiful. Can't imagine it. You know, just the originality of this car is amazing. I've been doing this for like 30 years. I've never seen one so original. So it's Granada Gold, right?
yes,
And you ordered it with 327
yes.
power steering. And then how much longer did he put the Keystones on? Those are pretty cool.
A few months later.
Cool.
Because it had the baby moons on. He didn't like that. So
And we have the original steel wheels that go with it. We have a Protecto plate, original owner's manuals, every little ticket when you sent the payments in. 5454, right?
54,
Oh,
54 a month.
jeez. You sent money orders in, didn't you? A checking account. Beautiful straight body, all original panels. Man, I love those Chevron tailpipes. Were those from the dealer, or is this something he grabbed somewhere?
I think so.
Yeah.
I don't think he made them.
Yeah.
But he used to make up everything, so you never know.
Wow. Very
He
cool.
was a machinist, so
Those guys are so particular.
he did what he had to do.
Yes. Original interior, 35,927 miles. Yeah, it's just astounding. And is that the original bow that came in the car?
Yes, it is.
Dealer, wow.
I came with it. I bought it for him for good luck.
Wow, so sweet. Good wife to let him buy this over a station wagon. With the baby in your lap. Cool. Even love those T3 headlights with the mirror on the top portion. It's pretty cool. Redline poly tires too. The super belts. Man, what a special car. We added these gauges. Cool, and the tack. Love that tack. That is so cool. You know what they say, they're all only original once. What is that? Very hard to find. There it is. Man, that tack is so unique. I've never seen one like that. Deluxe interior. These are Stuart Warner gauges. Definitely vintage. Period. Yeah, what a special car. We added the speakers in the back too. It looks like he did a little homemade defrost. That's pretty neat. Yeah. Wow, smart. Smart guy. Yeah, what a special car. Jeez. Even the felts and everything are beautiful. door shut. Fantastic. It's original 327. We have the original valve covers too. Love how it has the cast manifold with all the shielding on it. These are double hump heads too. This car was pretty fast, right? Yeah. The original air cleaner also. Looks like we had an alarm on it at one point too.
Yeah, it's probably still in there, but I have no idea. I think this is switched
Under the dash?
yeah.
Wow. Very cool. Power steering. It's got a new master and a rebuilt carburetor, right?
Yes.
So he's got 3 original steel wheels, original air cleaner. I'm pretty sure this is the fan. There was 2 in the garage. And there's your original valve covers. Man, it's just astounding. Pretty sure these are decoded too. Took about 200 and change photos today. We'll check them all out. Very cool. Hey Donna, can you show me the paperwork? That's what we have. Original owner's manual, Tecto plate. I took all photos of this as well. Bought it in Forest Hills. I don't even think this dealership is around anymore.
No, it isn't.
Here's all the tags that she sent in for the payments. You have a checking account, right?
Yeah.
Wow.
We paid everything like cash and all
Awesome. With money orders.
that.
54.54. And there's your original bill of sale. 3,263. That's with the insurance. So, man, sales tax was 2% then.
Yeah.
2,736. How much was the vet back then?
55.
55. Oof. Very cool. 54.54. Nice payment. I'll take that.
I wish I was paying that now.
Yeah. Serious. That's awesome. So you had yeah. So you had a buddy come over and he did the fluids and stuff and kind of got it running.
Yeah.
Drained all the gas.
Changed all the oil.
Okay.
We got a new battery.
New battery, I noticed. Runs nice. Man, what a cool car.
Yeah, it's extra right there.
Yeah. Built in the Norwood plant. And I love all the chalk marks and stuff too. See the PT right there? That's all original. And then there's another PT over there. You know, this is a unit that you could take and other people could build other cars by, you know? It's almost like a tooling proof car. Beautiful trunk. Original spare here, Donna? I think so. Wow, very cool. Some original hoses. Wow, look at that. Shock absorbers. Some original parts too. It's got an RS cap here, that's pretty cool.
Oh, that was his initials. So his
Oh,
father
really?
got the gas cap, but he never
Rich,
took it off.
right?
Richard Sano.
Yeah, wow. Very cool. What do we got in here?
This
Carburetor?
is an extra carburetor.
Oh, goes with it.
Yeah, this was rebuilt also,
Cool.
but that was the original. This is the gaskets, everything.
Oh, it's like a hollow. Oh, it's a quadrojet. That is awesome. The gaskets and everything.
Yeah, yeah, my brother-in-law
Wow.
does transmissions and everything, so he's the one that helped me
Oh, that's
with
nice.
the car.
Some extra belts go with it too. And some other parts and stuff too. Man, I love these speakers he put in. Incredible. And that's just a vent for the defrost.
Yeah. You can see all the stickers, everything.
Yeah, it's original. Even you got the original stampings in the quarters. That's how they did it back then. It's a pretty car.
They had this to put down in there, wasn't it? I don't know.
Well, I've seen you on the floors inside the car. They made his own custom mats, you see.
Oh, you can see, yeah.
Felt.
Every car we had, he had mats.
Yeah, that's
Mats
the first
over
thing
mats.
I do, mats over mats.
Yeah.
Yep. Cool car.
Even on my car, but
Even these Keystones are very special. You don't see them in this condition ever. With a lock on it. Oh my god. That is so cool.
we used to put plastic over it, so when you took the lug nuts off, it
Huh,
wouldn't scratch
They
it.
wouldn't scratch. Wow, he was particular.
Oh yeah, very. My kids learned from when they were small, don't touch the windows. In any car.
Your
don't dare touch
fingerprints,
the
right?
windows.
Very cool.
You should see my car now. They branching right all over them.
What are kids?
I
What are
said
you
he's
gonna
probably
do?
up there cursing me out.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out about 200 photos I took today on our website, weebyautos.com. And thanks again, Donna, for showing your
Thank
car.
you.
It's beautiful.